Okay, we've Maths Paper 2, 2019. So we'll be solving question 3a. This question is a quadratic question. So the question that we have is p squared minus p equals to 4. So we need to equate this question to 0. We need to equate this equation to 0. So we have p squared minus p. When 4 crosses the equal sign, it will become a negative. So we have negative 4 equal to 0. Okay, so this equation is equated to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So therefore, the formula for the quadratic equation that we're going to use is x is equals to negative b plus or negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So meaning that the equation is 2 that is p squared minus p minus 4 is equals to 0. So here we have a, b, and c. So we're going to substitute the value of a, b, and c. So the value of a here is 1. That is the coefficient of p squared. And the coefficient of p, the value of b is 1. And then the value of c is negative 4. So we're going to substitute. So x is equals to negative 1 plus or negative the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4a is positive 1, c is negative 4 over 2 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1. Okay. Therefore, negative times negative will give us a positive. So there were 1 plus or negative the square root negative 1 to the power 2, and that is negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. So according to integers, negative times negative will give us a positive. So therefore, the answer will be a positive 1. So that is 1. Negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 4. It will give us positive 16. Positive 16. That is negative multiplied by negative, that is a positive. So over 2 times 1, that will give us a 2. X is equals to 1 plus or negative 1 plus 16, that will give us 17 over 2. Okay, so now from here we need to find what is the square root of 17. What is the square root of 17? From there you can use a calculator to find the square root of 17. You can use a calculator to find the square root of 17. So the square root of 17 will be x is equals to 1 plus or negative, that will be 4.12310562561, okay, over 2. So from here, we need to find now, we need to find the value of x. We need to find the values of x. So now here we're going to find the values of x, that is 1 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 1 over 2, or x is equals to 1 minus 4.123.1056251 over 2. Okay, over 2. So that is how that summation is. That's how that summation is. Okay, so now we're going to add. We are going to add 1 plus this number, so it will give us 5.12310562561 over 2. So let's try to finish this one first. So x will be divide 2 into 5 point that number on top. So that will give us 2.5615528012805. So now here, according to the question says we must correct it to 2 decimal places. We must correct it to 2 decimal places. So therefore, our answer will be 2.56. So this is the first value of x. Let us find the second value of x. So this one was the first value. So let us find the second value of x. So we're going to subtract 1, subtract by that number. So that will give us negative 3.1233105625561 over 2. Okay, so x will be, so you must divide 2 into that number on top, so that will give you negative 1.561552805. So we must correct it to 2 decimal places. That will be negative 1.56. So meaning that x is either 2.56 or negative 1.56. Okay, you can go through that question. If you have challenges, you can able to ask.